Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Malab Malab. We have something
Galab. And we exaggerating something dalap.
and also this will leave you in yap yap.
And we are ready to concentrate. Kaka.
So today basically we are going to talk
Officially.
No
problem, we can talk. What do you want to talk about today?
Today I have several questions.
From the right hand. By the way, you have to abide by the rules.
Okay.
Start by the right hands. Don't mistake me.
So
Don't mistake me.
don't mistake him, bro. So I have a question, bro.
Today I'm together with Shata. By the way, I have realized that you have Bidar. No problem, by the way.
You have realized?
Yes. This is not checkpoint. Continue.
So we want
Okay.
And what are the secrets to a long-lasting relationship, bro?
The secret to a long-lasting relationship is that this relationship will make you.
This guy is defining a relationship.
No, I'm not. I know a relationship. The meaning of a relationship. This is a situation whereby that's the meaning of a relationship. But I am answering the question.
You have been asked a simple question.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Don't slap him.
I will never slap you, Shata. This is my first time for you to see me.
This is the first time you are seeing him.
I didn't answer the question.
Okay, answer the question.
And please repeat for the question.
Secrets to a long-lasting relationship.
And Abu Hagma Kabila.
You want to copy paste?
No, I don't want to do this.
I think I've answered this question in a Somali version,
So today in English.
but I'm not dating, so I don't know if I know the secret of
You don't know.
lasting. Yeah,
You are single.
yeah. I am single, but dating
I am
at the
also
same
single.
time.
I have forgotten.
My friend,
I'm not single.
Why are you jumping
I don't
into
have
my
girlfriend.
answer?
I'm not jumping.
Who
You.
asked you if you have a girlfriend?
No. Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Why are you loitering?
Why are you single?
I'm heartbroken actually, guys.
Oh.
Yes, I was left. I'm dealing with a heartbreak now for like 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
That is stupidity. Wallahi, that's not good. 6 months. By the way, I'm single. My girlfriend.
Look at this guy giving advice about relationship,
And he's single.
and he's getting
No
mad
problem.
because
Simple
of
question.
Okay. Why are you single?
I am
Okay.
single because qofta iga tagtay. In English, she left me. Wallahi, she left me. She told me
you a
that I
group?
don't want you. She don't. Yeah. You know, I don't have business.
left-
I'm not businessman.
Yeah.
She told me that I don't want you.
Why?
Gradually, she told me that. Wallahi, face to face, she told me that I don't want you from today henceforth. Toronto, see me later. Yeah.
See me later.
Yeah, gradually.
See me later does not mean never see me.
But it is none of your business. I'm the one who said. The next question. The questions are many, by the way. You have to.
This
Yeah.
channel has become a market.
No, it is not a market. It is a town.
You guys, I don't know why you are announcing that you are single. I've asked you a simple question. Then instead of answering, go to
Wixii noo baahan na soo raadsado maxaa ka galadacan waxaan ku wadanaa.
in English.
If you want us, you have to banida abu.
Asta sheegays adi tii dabad way aas iska dhaadad aasta leedahay.
double S. By the way,
Asta waa weyneynaysa.
bro. I have learned.
Uh-huh.
I came from Garissa.
I've realized one thing about this guy.
What?
He cannot talk without pointing this hand.
By the way.
You are using force.
The reason behind is that I love my hand. Yeah. Next question. Why you don't want to answer another question?
Okay. Can men ever know what a woman wants?
Can men,
Ever know?
all men,
Eh.
and ever know what a woman?
What a woman wants?
Yes, I know what my girlfriend wants. By the way, I'm
And
single.
you are single?
I am single, but my initially I was not single. One kala tagna soo kuma dhin. I know what she wants. I know
knew that.
she want. I knew, yeah. I knew.
I
Thank you for correcting me, by the way. I love you.
Why are you gay?
والله العظيم he is gay. والله العظيم he is gay.
كدر كفتها يا كدر. والله ما أنا حسب سكوا كذا
waxa la jiraa
I was just customizing nothing else nothing else
So how do you know? How do you know?
how do you know and first thing she will tell you that she will show you direction she will show you direction and she will show you something
English
ما كان بحبه ما كنت راد
وقدرت.
فرصة سعادة حتى and she will tell you that I want this thing one by one gradually
What?
without fearing
Specific-
because she is
Why are you overusing gradually?
gradually do you know the meaning of gradually
What is it?
I am asking you do you
What
know
is
the
it?
meaning of gradually
No, I don't know what
it is the meaning is that slowly you have to disappear slowly understand
The word gradually have been used.
So how can men ever know what a woman
war
wants?
maxaad ku garan kartaa miyaa waxay rabtaa iyada ya way ku sheegayda soo intay ku imaato
Hadda English waa hadal.
maxaa ka galaaday ninkan baa su'aalaha weydiina waa qaldanta bro
Hadda English aa lagu hadlay meesha.
wuu ka jawaaba say
Ani
you have to
ma
answer
weydiin.
you have to answer
Ma ada lagu
why
weydiin.
are you looking at me glaring at me systematically
Gradually.
Should we kiss with eyes open or closed?
no I will kiss when my eyes is closed by the way I am
Wallahi al-azim this guy is something else.
we have to look each other gradually bro I must kiss her when my eyes is closed do you know the reason behind
why?
or do you want the reason behind
Why?
I am
Why?
by the way now I'm single
Yeah,
and the reason I don't want to see her mouth
You don't?
yeah I don't want to see her mouth Abu Ma'i there's some
No, they are-
I don't want to see her mouth
Somal-
camal had Soomaalin gabadha markaad shuminayso markaad gabadha shuminaysid indhaha maxaa iskugu xiraa ma dhada
Ma- indhaha maa la isku xirmaysa, indhaha la isku-
waa la isku xiri maxaa noo kala furan baad gabar shumisaa waad xanuunsan tahay
sababta in isku xirto maxaa
adi ma furtaa
ma su'aasha lagu weydiin maxaa
adi horta ma furtaa indhaha ma furaa ii weydii
ay su'aasha lagu weydiin maxaa way marka la
sababta indhaha loo xiraa miya
maya inna ma la xiraa mise waa la furaa
waa la xiraa
hadda sababta yaa ku weydiin
ma ogi anaa iska xiraan war waan iska xiraa bow I have
mar
answered.
kale qaniindana
Why? Who are you kissing and you are single?
Initially I was not single
huyu
war singles comes nowadays
ni wale watu unaambiwa kunyonga tunaelewa lakini usikisi ukuta
hakuna siku tutakunywa
nyaje ndio
uko poa
Is it okay to keep secrets?
why
from-
are you asking me only me question why is he single only ask him also
Okay.
why are you imitating yourself
gradually
Okay. Is it okay to keep secrets from your partner?
no it's not okay
Yeah.
we share
You should open up.
yeah
What about you?
we have to share it
Yeah.
the reason behind is that I will tell her everything
you are single who are you sharing with
amar badana why are you asking me these questions and every now and then and I told you this thing gradually I told him that I am not single I used to be single I
used to be single.
Currently I'm single
And you used to
Okay.
be
What's your take about long distance relationship?
maxaad igu soo celinaysaa su-aasha
Ma garagaydi.
tii u horeysa ma long distance trade balki war dhaxda soo gal ka darog soo gal waa ka qodaysaa dhaxda soo gal
running social status ma barta
ma abooday sorry English was mistaken
Bro, you are funny. Okay, tell us. What's your take on long distance relationship?
long distance relationship alla adaga af Soomaali noo waxad hala yar dhakasi
U sheeg.
ay
af Soomaali igu
Long
sheegay
distance relationship.
su'aasha waxaa lagu
Hadi jawaab.
weydiiyo xiriirka qofka aad kala fog tihiin si isku tihiin adi
qofkan kale fogna ma jifanay
ha English waa
you have to call her day in day out you have to call her you have to know that what she is doing if she is cooking waan ka
isku
jawaab.
fiicantiin haa mise may
kana waa bedelo su'aalihi la isweydiinaya kan baa igu bedeshay maxaa
ad maxaa lagu weydiiyey ma isku fiicantiin haa mise
yes
maya
we are
waa bicisiya maxaa
waa isku fiican
Yani kuma haysataa.
waa isku fiican abo waa isku fiican
haddaad maxaa sababtaa bixinaysa ma kasi waan diidaneed
waan diidanaa miya aan ku fududaaday sorry I was jumping
Jumping.
waan isku jump gareys macamal next question
Okay.
you are only me pointing me only yeah, wallahi, you are asking me only questions.
So.
why not him
waa inoo tima
Should people date a partner much older than themselves?
no I can't date a woman who is older than me
You cannot date. Why?
I can't.
Why?
Islam entangaynane
it's true by the way
a older woman why am I taking her
Was he?
why and what if she beats me she's older than me
it is true by the way can I answer
Answer.
the question that you ask him I will never date an old man an old woman. Somadin is like
Why are you gay?
حالة محمد أبو سؤال شيء قلتنا يويدين he asked me why you gay.
No, you have just no. We have closed this chapter that
Can we close?
You just vomited a pregnant point.
Okay,
يا حناقد سؤال شيء repeat again. Please, I'm disturbing you. Sorry. Repeat again.
صراحة. Why are you massaging him?
No, I'm just acting like tabligh.
Should people date a partner much older than themselves?
No. No. Allah English alaga. Subhan. Orang English kan. Ki omar mem sekarang. Should people
They told the man.
let all the men? No. I want my girlfriend to be younger than me.
Okay.
My girlfriend, I want. Listen here. If you want to be my future girlfriend,
What type of man do
you
you
so good
prefer?
Yeah.
What type of man do you prefer?
Man, I am a man. What kind of man are you? Wait. سؤال قلتنا نبيدنا. Astaghfirullah. My girlfriend, let me tell you, my future girlfriend. By the way, currently, I don't have girlfriend. But my future
This is
girlfriend.
the 10th time you
Okay,
announced
Kusam.
it.
No, I'm not announcing. I am just telling you gradually that. And if maxay su'aasha waxan waa naga soo dhaxgalay wax walba.
Ifka nolosha ala.
Hadii wax walba naga soo dhaxgalay maxaa ku sameynaa? Aba waa dagaal dhaca.
Okay, سو أركتا يعني خفك يعني كل ما نينا نوش إنه كوين هذا مسا كاد واحد كادير.
Oh, if you are asking me that if your wife is older than you,
سو أركتا.
I don't. It is not good, by the way.
Not
But
wife,
it is
brah.
good. But it is good.
How?
She will tell you directions. She will give you direction. It is just like a rob. A woman that was divorced initially. She will tell you direction, by the way, Shata. Okay.
Man, who asked you the question?
He's the one. But I am the answering. He's the one who asked. He is ASCII. He's ASCII. I'm employee. Just like that. Next chapter.
I give up
Next
on this
question.
guy.
واي ناسك عشان قرب كده دلب خسر كنا فرحة دينا واين سوسا مقالي روا قب مقالنا سنوسا بدنا نقول فياب وعلى يلا برتنا ملب تشاو كلن تدم بشتا إيو عدنان تورنتو
Abu Salam.